In this video, we will explore the powerful practice of implementing positive affirmations into your daily life. Positive affirmations are simple yet effective statements that can help rewire your mindset and attract abundance and happiness into your life. By consistently repeating positive affirmations, you can challenge and replace negative thoughts or beliefs with empowering and uplifting ones. This practice allows you to shift your focus towards the positive aspects of your life and helps you develop a more optimistic outlook. Positive affirmations also work to reprogram your subconscious mind, allowing you to manifest your desires and achieve your goals. Through this video, you will learn practical tips and techniques to integrate positive affirmations into your daily routine, creating a positive and prosperous mindset. Before we dive into the tips and techniques, let's first understand what positive affirmations are. Positive affirmations are positive statements that are spoken or written repeatedly and consciously. They serve as powerful tools to challenge and replace negative thoughts or beliefs with empowering and uplifting ones. By consciously repeating positive affirmations, you can rewire your mindset and shift your focus towards positivity. These affirmations are designed to help you cultivate a more positive and optimistic outlook on life. They work by reprogramming your subconscious mind, allowing you to let go of limiting beliefs and embrace empowering ones. Through this video, you will gain a deeper understanding of positive affirmations and their transformative impact. The first tip for implementing positive affirmations is to choose the right affirmations that resonate with you personally. It's important to reflect on the areas of your life that you want to improve or the beliefs you want to change. Take some time to understand your goals and core values, and then write down affirmations that are aligned with them. By choosing affirmations that are meaningful to you, you create a stronger connection and emotional resonance with the statements. This increases the effectiveness of the affirmations in rewiring your mindset and attracting positive outcomes. Through this video, you will learn how to select the most impactful affirmations for your personal growth and transformation. Repetition and consistency are key to making positive affirmations work. It's important to repeat your affirmations daily for them to have a lasting impact. Ideally, you should incorporate them into your morning and evening routines. This consistent practice helps to reinforce the affirmations and integrate them into your subconscious mind. You can say the affirmations out loud, write them down, or even create visual reminders such as sticky notes or vision boards. The more you expose yourself to the affirmations, the more they will sink into your subconscious mind. Through this video, you will discover effective techniques to incorporate repetition and consistency into your daily routine, maximizing the benefits of positive affirmations. The final technique for implementing positive affirmations is to truly embody them. It's not just about repeating the words, but also about feeling the emotions associated with your affirmations as if they are already true. Imagine yourself living your life with the positive changes you desire, and allow yourself to experience the joy, confidence, and abundance associated with those affirmations. By doing so, you align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your affirmations, creating a powerful energy that attracts what you desire. This technique helps to reprogram your subconscious mind and reinforces the belief that your affirmations are already manifesting. Through this video, you will learn how to effectively embody your affirmations and manifest positive changes in your life.